So how does creativity work through you? Or how is your subjective experience of it?
It's very interesting, and I think that it's exactly what I love to experience, because it's something very it's like something uncertain. It's normally when I start with something, I repeat something that I know already or that I made before. So I'm holding on something, and sure, I'm not satisfied with it because I want to make something new, or I want to experience something that is so strong that I want to realize it or bring it really in the world. So, and it's very often that I work as a long time with things that I know and that I'm arranging them. And then sometimes I come to a point where I also start a very destructive or deconstructivist process where I invite also things happen by chance, or sometimes just because I'm getting crazy because I don't come to a result. And then I'm also starting to do things that I kind of letting things happen from outside, and I have to be very pay a lot of attention on what's happening. I'm kind of like looking at it, what is happening, and then I when I see something which is fascinating, then I know exactly, okay, that's it now. There I go now, and this is the way or the path that I follow. But it's very often is then a point also to let go and to be very, very awakened to see what's happening actually. And then I can then I get a kind of a glimpse of an idea of what can unfold of something new. But I kind of have to invite also this uncertainty and let go what I know or what I've done before. And this is sometimes hard to come there because normally from this way we think or we go through life, we repeat, we are in the patterns. And it's not so usual that we kind of step out of it.